For the recipe for adults is you don't typically think of blueberries in a savory fashion, but we made a really nice blueberry compote. It has some shallots, some thyme in it. So this is really kind of simple too. We're adding a nice little element to this dish also, which is tuna. So we're going to pan sear some tuna. And the blueberry compote could definitely be, you could choose to do it with tuna, you could do it with scallops, you could do it with shrimp. I thought the tuna holds up really well to nice kind of sweet, savory flavors. So we're going to pan sear a little bit of tuna to serve with the compote. So nice little thing for decadent little thing for parents to enjoy.
Can you serve tuna to your toddlers, children?
Yeah.
When can you start giving them fish, especially if it's a little
Actually, there's no restrictions on fish, just as long as they don't, they don't have an allergy to certain shellfish, obviously. But as long as they have, you develop their palate, the younger the better.
Right. So this could be for adults and for kids.
And for
really.
kids, yeah.